So, headlights are off. Daytime running lights aren't on because it's in park. But, put on left turn signal, and you get both. Top one going, bottom one going. But, and put on the four ways. Four ways all work. And I'll switch over, put on my headlights. And once I do that, bottom works. This is on the four-way flashers. Top doesn't work. Bottom works. Top doesn't. And I'll put on turn signal. And bottom works, but top doesn't. Put the headlight on. So, not sure why I have the LED compatible blinker installed. So, that's it.